Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to post reels on Facebook app. Let's launch the Facebook first. Then I want you to go ahead and click on the plus sign at the upper right. You see there's a small plus sign. When you click on it, you will have option to click and select reels. You want to click on this. When you click reels, you will have an option to select video that we want to publish. Let's take for example, we want to publish this video over here. Now, very important. When you select the video that you want to publish, you should simply use the metadata, the description. You should include a title, very short title. You should include maybe one sentence, no more than 2 sentences. And then you probably want to include a couple of hashtags. The new recent updates for the algorithm on Instagram Reels, I've seen majority of the most viral content are no longer using hashtags. I don't know what's the reason for. As well, I saw on the sponsored posts, they also don't use hashtags anymore. So I presume there is certain changes for the algorithm and how it detects, pushes particular content without hashtags. So if you want to try something new, probably you want to try to post without hashtags. Then you want to scroll down, you want to add the location, and you have an option to automatically share this particular reel with the Facebook. So essentially, if you click share to Instagram, you will have an option to log in and connect your Instagram accounts with this particular Facebook account, and then you will be able to automatically share. The new option that is something different than posting on Instagram Reel is that you can essentially add topics. For example, if we click add topic, you can simply scroll through here, and this will help Facebook to determine what kind of group will be interested of watching this video. So for example, if this was like a workout, like a fitness tips, it will be very easy for the algorithm of Facebook to detect and find the right audience for your videos. So most likely you're gonna get more views. Then as well, you can invite someone for collaboration over here. If you want to do something like a duet, that you have an option on TikTok if you are familiar with. And as well, if you are eligible for monetization, you can opt in, so you will be able to get tips for your videos as stars, which later could be converted into money. Essentially, this is how simple it is to post on Facebook. I find it easier to grow on Facebook by posting reels than trying to grow on Instagram by posting reels, but that's just my experience. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.